Global conditions are primed for gold price to go up. Oil just hit $130 a barrel. Analysts predict inflation to accelerate. Global tensions are on red alert, and gold is rising. Gold prices hit $2,000 an ounce after investors pile into the safe haven asset as the Ukraine crisis worsens. In light of the Russia-Ukraine war, analysts at Goldman Sachs raised their gold price target to $2,300 in 3 months and $2,500 in 6 months. Although predictions are only opinions, it's hard not to be bullish on gold and silver when some analysts are even calling for $10,000 gold and $500 silver in 3 to 5 years. Other analysts are being more moderate, but either way, it appears that gold and silver are on the move. Many experts agree that all the fundamentals are there for gold to have outstanding price performance. Gold captures the headlines, which often leads silver to be ignored. If we look at the 30-day performance of gold and silver from February 8th to March 8th, gold is up 11.5%, certainly very strong performance. However, silver is up 14.5%, and yet it doesn't seem to be mentioned. True, the fundamentals for gold are very strong. Still, the fundamentals for silver are also very strong, and I feel they couldn't be any stronger. Let's take a look at a few now. Number 1, dollar losing value due to inflation and oil prices. Inflation recently hit 7.5%, a 40-year record. Oil hit $130 a barrel, and Russian oil was just banned. This could lead to a weaker dollar, and a weaker dollar is typically good for silver. Number 2, the economic volatility and uncertainty. The market has been seeing huge drops and swings. In times of economic volatility, history has shown that often investors tend to flock to safe haven assets like silver. Number 3, green revolution equals silver revolution. Silver is used in many electronics that produce green energy. Governments around the world are making commitments to carbon neutrality, which means that a lot of money and expansion is happening in green energy. Number 4, demand forecasts. We can expect, as the global economy recovers from the health crisis, that the silver industrial demand will increase. According to the Silver Institute, total global silver demand is forecast to climb by 8% to a record high of 1.112 billion ounces this year. Personally, I like assets where demand is expected to break records. Number 5, recent historic performance. As you can see in this chart, from 2008 to 2011 during the housing crisis, silver shot up 422%. If history repeats itself, we potentially could see another silver boom when the next bubble pops. Number 6, gold-silver ratio. The ratio is currently 28% above the 50-year average. These facts suggest that silver is likely to rise faster than gold. And number 7, current price low compared to recent high. In 2011, silver hit an all-time record above $49.50. I like assets that have a long way to go in price appreciation before it ever hits its all-time high. All the fundamentals are in place for both gold and silver. I happen to like silver more right now. But the facts are that all the geopolitical tensions in the world make it more important than ever to find out if gold and silver are right for you. Make sure to sign up for one of our free one-on-one web conferences with the Augusta Precious Metals Education Team.
Hey guys, Joe Montana here with my man Devlin Steele. He and his team at Augusta Precious Metals are constantly putting out new information to keep you ahead of the game. Click subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. You'll be glad you did.